jumper. It's nice.
Yes, it does. I thought
Comfortable.
yes, it is. This is the new fine line sweater that Mum knit for me. This is the second time she's knit this for me, but this time it's in a cream acrylic yarn, and it doesn't itch.
Which is helpful.
Yes, which means I can wear it, and it's very nice.
Oh, good.
He's on his way. We've got to say merry birthday. Merry birth.
Vlogmas.
No, birthday. Merry birthday.
Very
merry birthday.
vlog birthday.
No.
No, just
very... merry birthday. Watch Mum completely blank on that and say merry Vlogmas.
You can only see the top of his head and the tail.
Yeah, it's a very fluffy tail.
Oh,
Chilly out there, isn't it?
chilly. Hello.
Oh, he's pleased to see you.
Yes, well, he hasn't really seen me this morning.
Properly.
No. Yes.
And you got shouted at, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He stole socks.
He did.
He's got a bad habit of stealing socks.
Even out of the shoes now. I tucked them right in.
Do you like my hoard?
Yes. That'll last a few days.
Maybe two. Ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday!
I told you
Happy
she'd
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Danny. Happy birthday to you.
It is my birthday.
Yeah.
Yes.
Do you want
Sorry,
to
I
do...
can't sing. You can cut that out.
Well, I shan't.
Oh.
But I didn't join in because I also can't sing.
I want to watch.
Would you like to do calendars or presents first?
Oh, do calendars.
Okay. Puppy. That one.
Oh. Guy. Oh, only 2 in there.
Are they bigger? Oh, slightly. Oh, he seems happy. Oh, yeah, he wants it. Oh, gosh, this smells.
He's so much lighter when he comes back from the Christmas.
Isn't it?
After a bath he is,
Oh,
isn't
he
he?
doesn't like that one. Oh, yes, he does. He just
No, that's not a successful one.
Well, I don't know.
he keeps putting it in his mouth and then spitting it out.
I think it's just more...
No, I
No.
no. Thank you for rescuing my cutting table.
I might change his
look
mind.
under
Don't
that?
throw it away yet.
No, he doesn't like it, Mum.
Oh, no.
She's now made a mess with the second one.
There you are.
No, he doesn't like it.
Obviously.
Don't throw it away.
He doesn't like
He
it.
doesn't like
You
it.
know, he's thinking about
No,
it.
he's not. He's spitting it out.
He's thought about it. Coughed it up.
He's like bitten it in half. And bleh, bleh,
Didn't
bleh.
like it, did you?
Dear, we haven't got anything else for you, darling.
Oh,
That's
sad
not right,
times.
is it?
Sad times.
Oh,
Sad
dear.
times for your little puppy.
Poor boy.
There it is.
He says, where is it?
Please hold it for me. Thank you. This one I haven't pre-opened.
Good.
But we're down here at a reasonable time.
We are.
Okay, I need the perfect reaction from you, Mum. It's hot drinking chocolate, coconut white. No, Mum. There we go! She was building up to it. I'm not sure I'm going to
Good
enjoy
luck.
this either. But
Good luck.
I need to have my collagen,
Good.
so it will be fine.
You're going to have to read it, Sean.
Oh,
I've left my glasses up.
Oh,
In the house.
dearie me.
oh
I'm
no.
not going back out in the damp and the cold.
No, I don't blame you. After a little exploration on the mirror planet, you climb back into the spaceship. Klaus has polished off the last Uranus Rex bar
Greedy.
and starts the engine. Or rather, he tries to start the engine. It just makes a few pitiful sputtering sounds with a tired whine. Dies completely. I am familiar with these sounds. Repairs are your job, so go see what's going on, demands Klaus, and goes fishing in Tom's provision bag again. If he continues like this, he won't fit behind the wheel. Rude!
Well, true.
You open the panel behind which the technology is located, and your fears are confirmed. Engine damage. It's completely broken. You can see that at a glance. Strange! Even though the spaceship is quite old, it seems odd that the engine would give up so suddenly. It almost seems as if someone has meddled with it. Wait, isn't that a footprint in the dusty ground? Has someone been in here? Either way, the engine needs repairs. Unfortunately, you don't have the necessary tools, let alone Spare parts.
Spare parts.
I'm filling in the blanks.
Spare space parts.
But then you have an idea. Klaus's shaving kit. You dismantle it in no time. Brilliant. You already have the first spare parts together. You should be able to do some precision engineering now. If you only understood the gibberish in the owner's manual, there's a lot about choosing the right screws, which wires you should connect together, and how. A complicated looking diagram catches your eye. So screws and connect together was in bold.
Right.
Please turn the page and now open door 11. Well, you've got to wait till, oh, good grief.
There was some writing along the top of the page as well. You know, like...
Oh, there was, yes.
Yeah.
Carefully tear out the calendar sheet before reading.
Okay.
I seem to remember a short while ago saying something along the lines of read the instructions about something else we were doing.
Kai, you've been got. Door 11.
All right.
Oh, you
Yeah, no, you do it. Yeah. It's your toy.
You're going to help. Are you helping?
Are you happy?
Okay. There's lots of screws on the ground and a bunch of cards with letters on them.
Right, dog.
You have to go on the floor, my love.
Come on, my lovely.
There's a stick over there. Go bury it in
I
there.
think we're in the way.
You're not in the way. Just the puppy.
Just the puppy.
Doesn't matter.
There's not a lot to go on, is there?
No.
Okay, no, that doesn't
No,
make
give us a
anything.
clue.
Yeah, we need a little more to go on.
Yes. They're all different. That's a Phillips head. Hexagon, star.
Got that far? Oh, no. Okay.
You're in the wrong one.
2,000 years later.
We got there eventually.
Yeah.
It took a little bit of brain power. So I do know the answer to this, but we're looking for a pocket watch basically.
Ah, it'll be on the box, I take it.
So it's
Impossible. 246. Is that correct?
246. We needed a lot of help with that one.
Yeah.
That sounded quite difficult.
It was.
It wasn't super obvious what they wanted us to do.
That's the one.
Yeah, that one was not super obvious.
No.
That one hurt my brain.
Well done.
I could see the pain. I could see the pain.
That one hurt my brain even with the answer. Presents? He has presents.
Oh, that's a gorgeous bird.
I'll show you the card because that is very beautiful.
She made his birthday cake for him.
Which was
Delicious cake.
I haven't had any yet.
You have to put a picture. Do you
that's
like
good.
that picture?
Yeah, I
That's what you
do.
might like.
Where's he based?
He'll come to you, I think. You ring him up.
Mum's bought Dad a pedicure.
Oh, I know the story of this.
Yeah.
Is it a story you wish to share?
No.
Okay.
Right. Yeah, what did I tell you?
Tools. What is it?
It's a hand trimmer for hedges and things. And also dogs.
No. Not
Did you
going
hear
near
that?
my dog.
I will just say this was made to your exact specifications.
Isn't it fabulous?
Yeah.
I think we're going to need to have a piece of plywood cut for the interior that I can then put a cover on so that the base is solid. It's got as many pockets in it as I could fit in it,
Yeah.
which was a lot. There's
You want to come up too?
There's a double layer of pockets here, so there's one on the front and then another one there. There's like those are lots of little pockets. That's lots of little pockets. That's 4 little pockets. But yes, I this was made to your specifications. It's huge. I can't decide if they are prisoner escaped geese or going for a swim. They have got goggles
They're
on.
gangsters.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
And it's velvet. It's lovely.
Gorgeous.
I'm glad you like it. But yeah, the lining definitely needs some weight in the bottom of it. So if you could cut me a piece of plywood, I'll make a sleeve for it.
Okay.
You look concerned.
No, I'm just trying to imagine stuff in it.
Will you be able to carry it? That's the question.
It's got a strap.
No, I mean the weight.
It's got feet. I was instructed to put feet on. I'm afraid they're not copper because I only had 8 of this particular colour and it definitely needed 8.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
You should.
He looks puzzled.
He looks puzzled. I think he's trying to fill it mentally. You can also, if you wish, put the strap on the ends as well, but I gave you 2 options.
Right.
Load it up with all your loot. Thumbnail.
On this, my birthday.
On your birthday, smile at the camera.
Yeah. Cheerio.
Thank you. Right, so you're off doing a service, aren't you, Mum?
Yep.
Dad? He's off. We're building the gym, aren't we?
Yes.
Yeah.
He did agree to this,
Yes.
but they're on their way out, so.
Bye!
So I am going to go and grab my hot chocolate. I'll probably do my taste test up in the main house. Okay, I'm doing the taste test up here. I am perched precariously on my seat. You can't see, but there's a giant Maximus back there. I'm not looking forward to this one. That's actually not as bad as I thought it was going to be, but it's not my favourite. As I say, it's got my collagen in it, so I will drink it and it will be fine, but I would definitely not order that one again. Never mind.
Later.
Dad and I have just spent the late morning, early afternoon rearranging furniture to make room for the bike. Now that we've done that, we are sitting down and I'm currently being attacked by cats. There's 2 of them and Kai's here as well. So I've done a little bit of editing this morning. I have quite a lot left to do, which I will get to. There's an Iskiaka. There's an Issy tail. The Max is on my lap. I wonder if I can tilt this down anymore. No, you're as tilted as you can get. I do have an arm to mount this to the desk, but we're going to wait to do that until we've got the new furniture in the new year. You displayed your flute beautifully yesterday. Say hi. He's horrified. They've both got very long black tails. You can't really tell who's who. Well, I'm thoroughly amused. I know you guys can't actually see what's going on, but I'm thoroughly amused by that. So yeah, it's been quite a day. That's me. He's very excited. Aren't you beautiful? Right, so I'm gonna get on and get some editing done.